Hello from room 393 at JW Marriott Mauritius, right in the southwest corner, or rather toe, of the island, of this lovely island. I'm upstairs in a two-room plantation type house. Let me show you around. There's an overhead fan, which I never use because they create far too much breeze actually. That must be a sofa bed, bedside, easy C air control. Here we've got the whole entertainment system. I've got wines in the rack. In fact, I've got champagne, so much here. Fruit bowl. An Illy Cafe coffee maker, and coming on around to the bathroom, which has the desk with the sockets in it, little drawers over the desk. I'm not sure, oh, there's nothing in them, so, and they're not deep enough to hold very much. The safe is in one of these cabin trunk kind of things. There it is. And I've got nice flip-flops as well as slippers. Two sinks, Bulgari toiletries, Bulgari white. A big shower. And a nice bathtub, which I shall get in and use my bath salts. This is JW Marriott, formerly St. Regis, Mauritius.